friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're filming in my health inserts and probably my business inserts from Lights Planner Action. So we're going to start with the health, move to the business. This is for the week of February 14th through the 20th. So this is an undated planner. So that is something we will have to do. I think today I'm just going to write in the dates because I want to see kind of where everything else goes. And I think I'm going to continue with using Icy Pastels in my what I got left over of my Bridgerton kit from Creating & Co. So Icy Pastels is from Coffee Planner Mom. I'm a PR girl for her shop. My code is Holly15. I don't know why I had to think about that. It's just what it is. And then the Bridgerton kit is from Creating & Co. All different things. I think this is going to be another like minimally decorative planner spread just because last week I didn't track as well. I lost weight last week. Oh, yes, accountability buddies. I lost weight last week. Yay. Almost a pound, 0.8. So woohoo. And so now is the time where I talk to you about how am I going to do it again? Because that's the thing. We can't just, keep gaining and losing the same weight every week. So last week I changed that to being sleep. And I think I'm going to do that again. But I just got to see what boxes I'm going to use, or if I want to use boxes, or maybe I'll just start with whiting out. We should probably start there. I'm excited because we have a long weekend. This week we have the 18th off. And then we have President's Day off next week. So I get Friday, Monday off. Woohoo! And I was commenting to one of the other teachers that in February, because of the snow days, we've literally only had one full week of February. And that was this past week. And we were all joking that our bodies aren't built for full weeks of school now. I could take this off the disc. I know I probably should, but I'm just kind of like, meh. I'll just watch. Now I will because I mentioned it. That's usually what happens. Haha. I've thwarted you. So I'm filming this on Saturday, and I'm sure some of you are gearing up for the Super Bowl. I'm in it for the food. We plan on ordering out, so hopefully everything works out with that. But other than that, it's gonna be a pretty chill weekend. Nothing too. Oh, I have Pink Zebra Rally today, so I'm gonna put these little boxes down just to. I'm gonna try again to track my sleep this week, just for something different to track. It's not that I need better sleep necessarily. I just want something. I don't track my water intake. I'm not super concerned about it. So that's a thing. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these half boxes in half and use them. Oh. I just need two more. Let's use pink. Also, I'm very excited to say that I'm going to be tomorrow on Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. I will be finishing up my first 4-week program on the tonal. And while I haven't seen like a change in the scale, I feel a change in my body, and I can kind of see a change in certain muscle groups and all that. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And then let's go to these guys. I think I'm just gonna write mood on top. notes, and habits. Also, let me grab my trusty Papermate flare. So this was mood, notes, habits, and then we've got 14, 15. So sometimes I want to go all out decorative wise. You've seen that in my catch-all lately. But other times, you know, pen is just fine. 19, 20. Pen is just fine. Because in the end, it's a planner that I use daily. I do check my planners daily. Last week, I just had a hard time getting back to at the end of the night. So a lot of times I was doing this part in the morning. So I still got Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to do. I was more fatigued this week, and I think it's because there's been some days where I have missed my vitamin D. I think that's a legit issue that I'm starting to have. So I got to make sure. Let's double check. So moods. We're just writing down real quick. Energized. So I've never talked about how, like, why I do tension / headaches. Sometimes I can feel muscle tension, but it hasn't caused a headache yet. And sometimes both go together. So I like to just, it's really what it means. Vitamin D. Points. I keep writing 20-minute workout, but I've been doing more than 20 minutes. But that was my original commitment, so I just want to remind myself that's the goal, 4 times a week. I'm excited to pick out a new 4-week program to do. That's been really, really good. Okay. So that part's done. And then, I don't know, I might save these for business. So that's my health spread for this week. Nothing fancy, nothing. It's going to be functional and do its job. That's the point. Let's go on to the executive plan inserts. I don't think I said that these inserts are from Lights Planner Action. That's where they're from. Good times, good times. I think what I'll do, I think I will take these off the disc. These are dated, and I'm excited because since I've been using them, that was my big thing. I found I wasn't using the inserts. I did not want to purchase them again because they are great inserts, but if I'm not using them, then there's no point. I am using them, so now I need to reorder for next time. So we're gonna put this up for my YouTube videos. That's kind of what I use the sidebar for. That's YouTube. And then I use the weekly for my engagement posts for Facebook for my Pink Zebra business. And this guy's for Instagram. So I think what we'll do, let's see what we got left. Let's put next week. I rarely use the next week stickers, but might as well use them here. We'll use, instead of get it done, we'll put don't forget. Pretty much uses up that sticker sheet. let's see what else we got. Well, we got some full boxes. So we got 4. Let's just use them. And we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Makes sense to me. One, two, three, and 4. That takes care of this page. Okay, and then let's add some of the deco in. Just for fun. Kind of at the, maybe whistle down papers there. Just because I don't use up all the space usually. And it's fun, right? It's fun. Let's do the fan. We'll just put these guys down here just because we can. We'll add a little washi juice, and that uses up that page. What? Who's using up all their stickers? All right, that's going to do it for this spread. I'm not going to do much more because the rest of it's going to be pen. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. You can check out Coffee Planner Mom and Creating & Co. and Lights Planner Action all in the description below. I'll catch you all in the next one.